Who are you talking to? Christy, who are you talking to? Siri cannot look at the book. You tell Siri about the book.
Siri, about the bookie. Bookie's like Barney. No, Barney. Barney's a dinosaur. Barney's a dinosaur.
Sorry, Josh, I can't search your music. You can ask me to play something, though.
Are you Josh? You're not Josh.
I'm not Josh.
You say I'm Christy, Siri.
I'm Christy. I'm not Josh. I'm Christy, Siri.
How can I help you this evening?
Oh.
I'm not sure what you said.
You talk to Siri.
I don't want to talk to Siri. You talk to her.
Hey.
Hi there, Josh.
I'm not Josh. I'm Mommy.
You say hi. Oh.
You ask Siri what's her name. Come on.
What's your name?
Siri, pleased to meet you.
Hello.
What about you?
My name is Christy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
From now on, I'll call you Corey. Okay?
Okay.
Corey? No, I'm not Corey. I'm Christy.
I'm not Corey. I'm Christy.
I can't make changes to your contacts. You can do it in the Contacts app. How may I help you?
Yeah. I'll help you.
I figured as much.
What do you want to do with Siri?
Play.
Oh, you tell Siri, do you want to play?
You want to play? You want to play? You want to play?
Sorry, Josh. I don't see any matches in your contacts.
Oh no, he cannot play.
Why? You asked.
You play. I'll play with you.
My name is Siri.
No. You want to play?
Sorry, Josh. I don't see any matches in your contacts.
It's not once.
You asked properly, Siri. I want to play with you.
I want to play with you. Yes, I love you, Siri. Where is Siri?
Again.
No.
Oh. There.
That's what I thought.
Where are you, Siri?
Yes?
How old are you?
How are you?
Does the...
It's gone.
Where are you, Siri?
Right here.
Hello?
Siri is there. You ask again.
What is your name?
This one.
What is your name?
Siri, pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm not sure I understand.
What? What?
I'm not sure I understand.
What?
What?
All right, here's what I got.
Oh, it's gone already. Good night, Siri. Say good night.
Okay. Good
All right, here's what I got.
night.
Good night, Siri.
Good night, Siri. Good night, Siri.
Hello.
I said good night.
It said good night. Good night, Siri.
Good night to you too.
You pray first. Bye.
To play first. Bye. Siri, did you play?
You ask Siri, did you pray?
Did you play?
I'm not just your friend, I'm your BFF.
No.
Best friends forever.
We best friends.
You say thank you, Siri.
Thank you, Siri.
Your satisfaction is all the thanks I need.
I want ice cream.
Okay, I found this on the web for glory.
I'm not Gory. I'm Christy.
Here's what I found on the web for goalie.
I'm not Gory. I'm Christy. I want ice cream.
I can help you find restaurants if you turn on location services. Go to settings, tap privacy, tap location services and turn it on. Then scroll to Siri and turn it on, too.
You're tired? You don't understand Siri.
Thanks, Josh.